Welcome! We're glad you made it. Venturing beyond your normal meeting place and time is just one more way you, as a volunteer, are creating an intentional, progressive Girl Scout leadership experience. Whether your troop has decided to travel to a local park for a day hike, or they're ready for their first camp overnight, this session is designed to help you gear up and get moving, with girl and adult safety number one on the list. Seeing wildlife is a pretty cool experience. You can help girls respect their homes by encouraging girls to check them out from a distance, never approach, feed, or follow them, and to store their trash in areas that they can't access. Don't let the fear of animals or even plants prevent you from experiencing the wonderful outdoors. Take the time to educate both you and your girls about what to look out for. Remember to stomp when you walk. The vibrations give the snake a chance to get away. Don't go near rotten logs, looking carefully before picking up any wood. And never step over a log. Step on top of it, look down, and then step on the other side. In the state of Georgia, it is illegal to harm a non-venomous snake. Georgia is home to many species of snakes, but only 6 of them are venomous. The copperhead, water moccasin or cottonmouth, the coral snake, and 3 types of rattlesnakes. Snakes range in size from a few inches to more than 8 feet. They are most often seen in the spring or fall as they search for food and move to and from hibernation areas. Rodents are their primary source of food. They also have poor eyesight, which can make them dangerous. Copperheads, water moccasins, and the 3 types of rattlesnakes are called pit vipers. They have long, movable fangs, a vertical pupil, and a triangular-shaped head. Rattlesnakes do not always rattle before they strike. Water moccasins are very aggressive and live near water sources such as creeks, rivers, ponds, and lakes. Coral snakes are found mostly in the southern regions of Georgia. They're nocturnal and fairly non-aggressive. However, they're the most venomous snake found in Georgia. Coral snakes have red, black, and yellow rings. The yellow ring separates each red and black ring. A helpful hint to remember: red on black, a friend of Jack; red on yellow will kill a fellow. While far less aggressive, venomous spiders do pose a threat when agitated. Usually found in dark places, black widows and brown recluses can be found in places such as wood piles, outdoor toilets, rocks, bark, and debris. The black widow is a shiny black spider with a fat body and long, skinny legs. The female has a distinct red or orange hourglass figure on the underside of the abdomen. The brown recluse is golden brown in color and has a violin-shaped mark on its back. The body is not hairy, and the violin-shaped area is usually shiny. Whenever possible, try to wear long sleeves and gloves, and shake out your clothing and shoes before putting them on. If you suspect a venomous snake or spider bite, seek medical attention immediately. Poisonous plants are another important thing to know before you go. The big 3 are poison ivy, poison oak, and poison sumac. Poison ivy climbs or runs like an ivy vine. The older vines look hairy. It may be difficult to see because it often grows with other vines. Clusters of small white flowers develop in May and June. And from August to December, green to white berries replace the flowers, and the leaves turn bright fall colors. Poison oak is a small, upright bush with leaves similar to those of an oak tree. Usually found in drier soil, poison oak has white berries in the fall. Poison sumac grows in swampy areas and around water. A complete leaf stem has 13 leaves and may have white berries. Other varieties of sumac look very similar, so when in doubt, don't touch. If you or someone is exposed to one of these plants, first and foremost, contact the parent or guardian before applying any medication. Rinse the exposed area for 15 minutes with cool water, and wash the area with soap and warm water. Remove your exposed clothing, placing it in a plastic bag, and wash it separately. Treat the rash with a cold compress, aloe, or 0.5% hydrocortisone. When you're venturing out, take the time to talk to girls about preventative measures. like using repellent containing DEET on your legs, ankles, wrists, neck, and face. Treat your clothing at openings, wearing long pants and sleeves if you can. Check frequently for ticks, and stay on paved or well-groomed paths, avoiding contact with shrubbery or long grass. And never attempt to feed or handle any wild animal. Remember, activities and trips your girls want to go on are not about you making them happen. By communicating expectations and practicing skills before venturing out, you're building opportunities for girls and adults going on your outing to share responsibility and find leadership roles. That's what makes you super.